Looking for a quick, rich, and spicy lamb curry that doesn't skimp on flavor? This easy Durban-style lamb curry is your go-to recipe. For your ingredients: 600 grams of lamb. You can use mutton or beef, but the cooking time will be slightly longer. 2 potatoes, peeled and quartered. I am using soft cooking potatoes in this recipe. 1 medium onion, chopped finely. 5 or 6 fresh curry leaves. 1 tomato, finely chopped. 3 tablespoons each of mint and coriander, chopped finely. 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. A handful of chopped coriander to garnish. Dry spices: 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise, 5 Elachi pods, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of curry masala, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. You can adjust this as you prefer. Heat up the pot and add in the oil. When the oil is hot, add in the dry spices. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes to allow the spices to flavor the oil. Add in the onions and curry leaves. Mix and allow to cook until the onions are translucent. Add in the ginger and garlic paste. Mix and cook until the onions are slightly golden in color. Add in the ground spices and mix well. Cook for 2 minutes, stirring to prevent it from burning. Add in the tomatoes, mint and coriander. Mix together and cook until the tomatoes are soft. Add in a little water and mix well. Cook until the water has dried up. Add in the meat, mix well. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. Check the pot often and stir. After 15 minutes, add in the potatoes and mix well. Add a cup of hot water and mix. Turn down the heat to medium. Cook until the potatoes are soft, checking often to see if you need to add in a little water. When the potatoes are soft, the curry is done. Taste with a skewer or knife. You will see that the oil has now come up to the surface. This is an indication that the curry is now done. Garnish with coriander. Serve with rice, roti, or bread. I hope you do try out this Durban curry recipe, which is easy and delicious. Do you like curry? Let me know your favorite curry dish. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like. Thank you for watching.